Walang nagmahal noon sa polis na abot sa standard ko. I do not allow policemen to go to jail. Go ahead. Panahon na ninyo, lalo na ngayon. Now that I am president, I would like to guarantee all of you that if it is in the performance of your duty, sa pagkasundalo mo, wala kayong isipin. I will also protect you. So I said, my duty is to find peace for everybody, for my countrymen. I'm good until 2 in the morning. Kasi probinsyano po ako, hindi naman ako mayaman. Every time that I am summoned here, it's a expense. Hotel, pati aeroplano. Ngayon kung magsige tayo dito pa, ganon, mamuluwi ako. I am living on my retirement pay. Wala akong negosyo. Tanungin mo kahit sino sa Davao. Wala akong outside source except my retirement pay. Ngayon, kung ganito tayo palagi, mamamlubi talaga ako.
You would like to rest?
I'm sorry, I was talking to my daughter.
Yes, Mr. President. If you'd like to rest, we can excuse you.
No, sir. I am willing to sit here and testify until probably 2 o'clock in the morning. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Kung gusto ninyo, gabain ninyo ang alas 6.
1 minute. Inaalala lang po namin ang inyong